Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you could see, I am creating a new look and it's on the Huda Beauty Smokey Obsessions palette. If you guys want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Okay, here I am adding my professional primer from Benefit Cosmetics. I'm applying this all over the face. Then I'm going to add the Per Cosmetics No Filter Blurring Photography Primer. And I'm going to apply that all over the face. Okay, I add 3 primers and it's the first two, and I also add the Smashbox Primer Water. Using this light brown shade from the palette, I'm going to use it as my transition color to give it that dimension when doing the smoky eye. Okay, using this next shade from the palette, which is kind of like a brown mauve color, I'm going to use this for my inner corner and my outer corner, leaving the middle open, kind of creating a halo effect. Now taking this dark brown shade from the palette, you always want to make sure you're careful with these dark shades, just because sometimes if we go above or we add too much, it will create kind of a black eye, which is not what we're looking for or targeting right now. So I'm pretty sure nobody wants to look at a raccoon. So I'm taking this on my inner, my outer corner of my eyes and on my crease, and taking it a little bit above my crease. Now I'm taking this black shade from the palette, and like I said before, you want to be careful with those black shades, because if you add a little too much or go a little bit too above, it creates this black eye we don't want. So I'm adding this only in my outer corner and my inner corner of the eyes, and slowly and carefully blending it in. Now using my Real Techniques concealer brush, I'm going to do a middle cut crease, so it could create that halo effect. And I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair Neutral. Now taking the silver glittery shade from the palette, I am going to put this where I cut the crease, and I'm going to take a flat brush and spray it with Studio Fix Plus from MAC. Next, I'm going to take the black from that palette with my brush, and I'm going to add this next to where I cut the crease, just so I could blend out all harsh lines and everything is very well blended. Next, I'm going to take eyeliner and I'm going to apply it on the top of my waterline. And then before I apply my lashes, I am going to apply mascara on my top and bottom lashes. Now I'm taking lashes, and these lashes are from Flutter Lashes in Style Intoxicating. These lashes are beautiful. Like these lashes make your eyes pop. They just complete the look. Let's just put it that way. And then I'm going to use my dual glue, and the dual glue is going to be in the shade black because they have a clear one too, but since I have eyeliner, I'm going to use the black one to apply my lashes. Next, I'm going to start with the face, and I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in shade Dark Cocoa. I'm trying this new thing where I contour and highlight first and then put my foundation on. So let's see how that turns out. You wanna know something? I accidentally sprayed setting spray on my camera. Yeah, que tonta soy. So now what I'm going to do is blend out all my contour. Now I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm using shades Light Neutral and Fair Neutral, and I'm using that to highlight and then blending out my highlight. Next, I'm going to take my two favorite foundations, which is Fenty Beauty and Makeup Forever HD foundation. And like always, I'm always messing up something. I'm always spilling something, and I drop my foundation all over my shirt. Como siempre. And now I'm taking a stippling brush, and I'm using it to distribute my foundation all over my face, and then taking my beauty blender and blending it out. And I know it's some of y'all saying, oh my god, you hella white. Girl, yes I am. This ain't no joke. I'm paper white. Now I'm taking my RCMA No Color Powder, and I'm going to use this to set under my eyes. And I'm not going to bake, I'm just going to set the powder under my eye. Next, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me powder foundation in shade 120, and I'm just gonna get a fluffy brush and just set it all over my face. Now using the Huda bronzer from my Cheek Parade palette from Benefit, and I'm going to use this to warm up my face. Now using the Shade and Light Contour Palette by Kat Von D, and I'm using these two shades to contour my face. Using the same setting powder, I'm going to use it to cut up my contour. Now using Paint Perfection by BH Cosmetics, I'm using these two blush shades. Now I'm going back to the eyes, and I'm using the same eyeliner I used for my waterline, my top waterline, and now I'm using it for my bottom waterline and kind of taking it a little bit below so I could have that black smoky effect. Also blending it in with the smaller detail brush. Now I'm just going to add some setting spray. Now using the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter collaboration with Amrezy. I think that's how you say her name. Now I'm using the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in Trendsetter and her lip contour in Trendsetter as well. And I'm also using in the center of my lips the Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Mannequin. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, my little makeup tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe. And also don't forget to follow me on social media. Until next time, bye.